Alright, here we are to finish out here on this 6-inch K-style gutter with black nose over guards. 3x4 oversized downspouts. See, this one here is dog leg to keep it up tight against the wall. Diverters in the corners control the water flow. Out flashing up against the walls. There's a good example. That white piece of metal you see there is a piece of kick out flashing. It's kicking into that gutter to control the water from that wall. See them upper pieces there is piped into this lower piece. See, this one here is coming down into an adapter. It's buried underground. Another diverter for the water flow. Zip screw there in the bird out to keep old birds and insects out of it.